Hello everyone, this is Ram Sahu from Technocrats Group Bhopal, and we are hereby going to discuss about an important topic of data structure, that is tree. The following video lecture contains following topics, that is the tree data structure, tree terminologies, types of trees, binary search tree, AVL tree, B tree and B plus tree. Tree is a data structure that is non-linear hierarchical data structure composed of nodes connected by edge. It models a hierarchical relationship resembling an inverted tree with a single root node at the top and the branches extending downwards. There are different tree terminologies, that is the node, root, edge, parent node, child node, leaf node, that is also called external node, internal nodes that having some childs, subtrees, that is the portion of tree, depth of the tree, that is the height and depth of tree is the last level from root. There are different types of trees like binary tree that having each node having 0, 1 or 2 child. Full binary tree, every node has either 2 or 0 child. Complete binary tree, all levels are fully filled except possibly the last, which is filled from the left to right. Balanced binary tree, height difference between left and right subtree of every node is minimal. Ternary trees and array tree are also called generic tree. Basic operations of tree data structure, that is the create a tree in the data structure, insert data into a tree, searches specific data in a tree, traversal contain two types of traversals, that is the depth first traversal and breadth first search traversal. Tree traversal is the process to visit all the nodes of a tree and may print their values too, because all nodes are connected via link or edges. We always start from the root node, that is we cannot randomly access a node in a tree. There are three ways which we use to traverse a tree: in-order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. In-order traversal means the left subtree is visited first, then the root, then the later right subtree is visited. We should always remember that every node may represent a subtree. If a binary tree is a traverse in order, the output will produce sorted key values in ascending order. Pre-order traversal. In this kind of traversal method, the root node is visited first, then left subtree nodes, then finally the right subtree nodes. The traversing sequence of given tree is given in this sequence. Post-order traversal. In this kind of traversal method, the root node is visited last, hence the name. First we traverse the left subtree, then the right subtree, and finally the root node. There are different type of trees. A kind of tree is binary search tree, which is actually used for searching operation in a binary tree. A binary search tree is a type of binary tree data structure in which each node contains a unique key and satisfy a specific ordering property. The properties of binary search tree are: all nodes in the left subtree of a node contain value strictly less than the node's values, and all nodes in the right subtree of a node contains value strictly greater than the node's value. This structure enables efficient operation for searching, insertion and deletion of elements, especially when trees remain. Basic operation on binary search tree, that is insertion. In binary search tree, searching, deletion, minimum, maximum, floor value, ceiling value, in order successor, in order predecessor, handling duplicates. Advantage of binary search tree, that it is used for efficient searching that takes the time, that is big O of log n. In case of balancing binary search tree, ordered structure element are stored in sorted order, making it easy to find the next or previous element. Dynamic insertion or deletion, elements can be added or removed efficiently. Balanced structure, balanced binary search trees maintain a logarithmic height, ensuring efficient operation. Doubly ended priority queue, we can maintain both maximum and minimum efficiently. Disadvantage of binary search tree, non-self-balancing. Unbalanced binary search tree can lead to poor performance, worst case time complexity, memory overhead, not suitable for large dataset, limited functionality. Specific type of balanced binary search tree are when we are used to different balancing criteria on a binary tree, so it is called balanced binary search tree. There are different binary search trees that we are having to be study further, that is AVL trees, red black tree, B tree, S-play tree, etc. First, AVL tree. An AVL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree named after its inventors Adelson, Walsky and Landis. It was the first self-balancing binary search tree and is designed to maintain a balanced structure, ensuring efficient performance for operations like search, insertion and deletion. The balance factor is calculated via the height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree is equal to balance factor. Its balance factor is either -1, 0 or +1 only. Operations on binary AVL tree, searching, it takes big O of log n time. Insertion, it does rotations along the normal binary search trees. Deletion, it also use rotations. Rotations. Rotations are used to balance a unbalanced AVL tree where when the balance factor lies other than -1, 0 and +1, then we can say the AVL tree is unbalanced. So we can rebalance it by using different rotation. There are four type of rotation used to rebalance themselves after insertion or deletion. That is the left rotation, right rotation, left rotation and right rotation. Here we are going to be represent an example for left rotation. When height of left subtree is increased by left nodes, then we use left rotation and the trees balance with node balance factor within the valid range. Right rotation occurs when node is inserted into the right subtree of the right child, making the balance factor less than -1. The following is the example that is showing right rotation. Third one is the left-right rotation, which perform two different rotation. First left rotation, then right rotation. It occurs when a node is inserted into the right subtree of the left child, which disturb the balance factor and ancestor node, making it left heavy. To fix it, perform a left rotation on the left child, followed by the right rotation on the node. Next, the right left rotation that occurs when a node is inserted into the left subtree of the right child, which disturbs the balance factor of an ancestor, making it right heavy. For this, perform a right rotation on the right child and followed by a left rotation on the node. Applications of AVL tree. AVL tree is used as a first example of self-balancing binary search tree in teaching data structure and algorithm, as it is easier to understand and implement compared to the red black tree. There are different separate, we can perform it different languages like C++, Java and etc. Advantage: AVL tree can self-balancing themselves and therefore provide time complexity as we go up login for search, insert and delete. As it is balanced binary search tree, so item can be traversed in sorted order since the balancing rules are strictly compared to red black tree. AVL trees generally have relatively less high end, hence the search is faster. Disadvantage of AVL tree: it is difficult to implement compared to normal binary search tree, less used compared to red black tree. AVL tree provide complicated insertion and removal operation as more rotation are performed. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.